This is a tutorial for an extended butterfly from a standing position. The idea is that it's just a nice and quick way in, and it's a surprising way that you can do it from standing, so you're not kind of taking the traditional route into an invert and a caterpillar or a shoulder mount and stuff. It's just a nice fluid way to do it from the floor. So the second leg, which is going to be the bottom leg, it wants to go in like a circular motion. So it goes past the pole, almost through a D, but you're not going to hold on to the pole with the second leg, over. And then because it is an extended butterfly, you've got to try and keep both legs straight, and that's a nice little challenge. And then I'll just throw a little bit on the end and talk you through that as well. So if I want my right arm on the bottom, I'm going to step with the right leg. Left hand is already on, it's just around eye level, and I'm trying to get the left leg, the left heel, just above that hand. So because I've already set that up and I know exactly where I'm going, it's going to be a little bit more fluid. Whereas if you're kind of messing around with the hands when you get down there, it's not quite as fluid. But obviously don't worry while you're training. So I've got that left hand there, right foot down. I'm going to put the right hand there just for now, just to get the split heel, and then I'll take the split grip once I'm down there. So step, start to lean forward, extend, heel over. So once you're there, make sure you've got the grip with that top hand, bottom hand comes down into a split grip, and then I'm going to tip my nose to the pole, and this leg, as I've just spoken about, comes past and then out. So the leg's going to end up there. So forwards and out. And then you can pull it in, pushing with that heel on the top of the pole to hook into an outside leg hook, sit up a little bit, grab the pole with the bottom thigh, release the top leg and sit out. And you could probably take it into some more floor movement there if you wanted. So watch it a few times over. If you've already got your extended butterfly, then it shouldn't be that hard. It's just it's learning to tip your nose to the pole and to think about where your body needs to be stacked, okay? So I'll just show you that little part again, that little tip, just once more. So your arms are set up, you're up, you split grip, tip. You've got to tip your nose to the pole, pull in, hook, to there, to release, to go into whatever you fancy. Enjoy!